Okay, the project started initially because we had an idle piece of land. And we've been offering it to PNTE, different members of PNTE, just to do something with it. And then one time, Joe Vic came over for a camp, just for a stargazing camp. And the next morning, he said, May, game na! Game na yung project. And from there, the ball started rolling. He put out a call to members for donations and volunteers. And thus, we have this. Today is the groundbreaking of the forest. So the goal of the forest is to be a teaching forest. It's more than just a reforestation project. It's like a laboratory for future reforestation projects. And then Joe Vic has introduced some science and some knowledge.
Before I came to May's place, Sel and I talk about this, what May is offering to us. And we are looking for a site wherein many of our trees, nursery trees na malalaki na we can plant na. Then marami sa mga members meron din sila. Then ang idea is kasi maraming mga reforestation sites, upon planting hindi na nababalikan.
Okay.
So ang gusto namin na hindi masayang yung effort, yung pagpapalaki namin ng mga seedlings. May's place is ideal for that. Kasi mababalikan namin, hindi mahirap puntahan kasi meron mga place na kailangan mo pa magpapirma ng kung ano-anong licenses or permits bago ka makapasok sa area, lalo na public lands. So, from there na mga ganung factor, nag-decide kami ni Sel, gawin na natin. Total, matagal na natin plano to eh. And yan, the scientists came in, Dr. Pahilon, Forester Joe Sargento, and Lily, the assistant dean, Lilian, of UP Science came in. And engineer June San Miguel. So yun, confluence ng mga iba't ibang initiative or
Branches.
interest.
The beautiful thing about this project is the teamwork. So everybody has different commitments. So Joe Vic from the beginning committed he will populate the forest. Engineer committed from the very beginning he will plot out the forest. Sel from the very beginning committed that this will be a science-based, a PNTE loving base. And then on our end, my husband and I, our commitment is we will take care of this forest. It will be a forever forest under our care. Okay, for this pilot PNTE teaching forest, we were able to allot 3,000 square meters. However, there's also a lot of room to grow, so there's also still a lot of room in the area if we want to keep experimenting.
Now, the trees, because ang area is, kung scientists sabihin nila, is stage 4 degraded land na populated with Ogon. So, the ideal na itanim dyan is the fast-growing pioneer trees. So, yun yung aming tinatanim ngayon. Plus yung mga tall trees na kayang mabuhay dun sa ganung klaseng lugar. May design na 2x2 as designed by engineer June San Miguel. The tall trees, we call it emergent, saka yung canopy and the small trees. Then mayroong may plant yung placement ng trees, meron namang random ang placement ng trees. Tapos meron din in consideration din ang paglagay ng mga windbreakers, placement ng mga ficuses.
It clearly shows that it's possible for us to convert a denuded area to become a beautiful forest.
On my end, I'm not a forester. I'm a beginner enthusiast. However, it was through exposure to PNTE and to just being around wild trees that I fell in love with them. And I hope that visitors and PNTE members will fall in love over and over again with this forest.
Sa akin, I think this project parang yung cooperation ng mga tree loving or enthusiasts, sabi natin PNTE members, pakita rito. Yun makikita ng mga
Okay, so any messages that you need to thank?
Come
To-
plant
Help us.
with us. Thank you for all those that donated seedlings and who donated their time, donated their effort. Thank you.
So thank you for sharing your land, no? And this being a PNTE learning forest.
Jovic, anyone?
Thank you for allowing us to use the land for it to be a teaching forest.
Okay, I would like to thank you guys as a parent, coming from, being a parent, that the future generation will be absolutely remember you like their heroes. And I'm so sure of that. So, kudos to you guys. Thank you.
Kasi lahat ng tao dadaan dito, di
Oh,
ba?
engineer, ka.
Ba? Oh. Amaya.
Debate.
Kung tataniman mo dito kasi gusto mo dito.
So unahin malayo.
Yes! At tapakan mo yung malapit.
Pero same look pa rin siya. May Nara
Oo
Lane pa
naman.
rin.
Oo naman, di
O,
naman
yun pala.
debate si Nare.
Kaya nga, ito.
Oh, yan.
From afar to a near.
Pagpahingahin niyo muna.
Exactly.
Oh, yun.
Hihinga pa eh. Kayo naman eh. Masyado kayo eh.
Tapakan, ha?
Dinadaan nyo sa edad eh. Kayo eh.
Ang sinasabi ko lang, Sel,
Yan.
we divide the work by the Nara Lane.
Yes.
Okay, when you look at the plan,
Yes.
ito yung Nara Lane. Ang sinasabi ko, unahin natin itong nasa ilalim ng Nara Lane.
Okay.
At yung bukas ay doon sa taas ng Nara Lane. Pero ito, we start from here, papunta rito. Magsisimula ron, papunta ron.
Correct.
Susundin yung iyong, ano pa rin,
Yes.
papunta dito. Uunahin doon. O ganun pa rin.
Okay. Agree.
May long date ka.
Meron ako nasakyan.
Okay. So,
Oo. Sandali. Yun nga pala. Kasi binutasan na.
oo nga.
Nasaan na? Yun nga ang tinatanong ko.
Na
Nasaan yun?
May mga
Dito,
butas na
every two, yung 2x2
Oo
grid,
nga.
yung
Nasaan yun?
instruction, nandun. Ang utos lang is skwala sa, di ba yung
Sa
last
gate.
time?
Oo, ganun.
Skwala sa gate, tapos 2x2.
Meron na.
Meron ng butas.
Okay, di hahanapin na lang yung
Yes.
butas na...
Yeah.
Hanapin and
Paglalagyan. Yan.
Okay.
Okay, so mamarkahan na natin. Okay, so minarkahan na natin ganyan, di ba?
Okay, okay.
So dapat may magse-separate ng mga nara.
Hindi, gagawin na yun
O,
habang may
gagawin na yun,
namarkahan.
di ba?
Oo.
Okay.
Okay,
Tapos,
number
when we're
2
done with
segregation.
that,
Number 2
We will now
segregation.
plant the nara today.
Oo.
if we have enough.
Oo.
Okay.
Ito.
Wait lang. And then you will start from here. From the farthest end going back here. Right? This is the door.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo.
Ha? Farthest end ang una bago sa harap.
They all have different growth rates.
Ano?
Ilang nara
Yeah,
ba?
different, but it's a forest.
20 ilang nara?
No, but you don't know which.
Ha?
One of them will grow quicker than the other.
22. Lahat ng yan, tatanim na natin, yung 64.
So,
Yung lipote, bakan, bignay.
nara, taluto, anto.
Bakit? Saan siya po pasok dito? Kala ko sa nara.
Just fill it with algae.
Hindi, nara lane natin may gap eh. Di ba may
So, saan ba yung, saan mo tatanim?
understory?
Oo. Canopy.
Tingnan mo ha, i-recite ko ha.
Just fill it with alga trees. And
Nara bignay, dungon, nara bignay, dungon, nara bignay.
Alright, got it.
Amugis, nara bakan, toog,
Okay.
So wait,
Alright.
duties! Ako, tulungan ko. Hanapin ko yung ano, tapos
This time in
kailangan ko
5 years we'll be
magluto.
multi.
Sige lang.
Then,
Sino kasama ni PU? Who's
then
going with
kailangan ng
PU?
steak. Wait, baba ko na lahat ng steak.
I will segregate the trees. Who's coming with me? Segregate.
Lista mo yan, Ira, kasi baka mamaya sabihin ni Sel, Rafi, ito duty mo, hindi naman yun, sulat mo.
Yun na, Nedra.
So, segregation. Sino sa segregation?
I'll measure the
Okay,
meters,
Tita
like
Sel.
1,
And,
June.
and June.
Bonita sa akin.
Are you
Malaki katawan.
yeah, I know what
Oh,
it means,
here.
roughly.
Sino sa labeling? Si ano, engineer.
Like this. 1,
Labeling
Two,
of Nara Lane.
3,
Ay, hindi, marking.
4 meters.
Marking. Marking engineer.
Saan lalagay mo?
Yeah.
Kayo, dito,
Wag na
nilagay
ako.
mo na dito kasi ano, kasi.
Someone's calling.
Really?
Wow, you got a signal?
Oh, you have a signal.
Alarm.
Nasa na lang.
Ay,
Time to go home. I can't do that because Baloo will get jealous.
Rafi, you're planting tibig.
yes.
That's
I have
tibig.
tibig in my house. I love it.
Okay.
Sinabi ka kanina.
Kalimutan ko
Ano
na.
nga? Ito ay forest para sa education, para
Hindi, it
mag-teach.
is a PNTE teaching forest so that it's actually us learning from the forest and the forest teaching us how to build the correct forest.
Okay, but how did this project started? Who's the core?
Core? Well, of course, we wanted to reforest, di ba? All PNPE would love to have to plant, the nuded places with forest, with trees, di ba? So what better way but to tap PNPE members who have the passion also to build but needed help, di ba? So it's a good thing sila May Serrano was willing to allocate a portion of their property for us to build that forest. Why not in government DNR agencies, di ba? It's so difficult eh. You have to have PAMOA with them and then people will just go there and cut the trees, di ba? We planted them and then because there is no parang protection, it's difficult to protect the forest, no? But here, it's a private land. The ano will be protected. So regardless whether it's public or private, for as long as you create a forest, I think we achieve the overall objective. Okay, good.
Thank you.